I've told you this, but I'm going to do it in a way that is without any doubt. I believe that Senator Dianne Feinstein should be investigated by the Senate Ethics Committee and by the FBI. I believe if she is investigated, that this whole Kavanaugh thing will unravel. I believe there's a lot more to this than we Americans know, or even Justice Kavanaugh knows. From what I can ascertain and the information that I can glean, I'm not going to use anonymous sources, but this was a planned hit on Kavanaugh. You say, I got a letter, well, why would the FBI get involved with, it's not a criminal matter. If Dr. Ford's privacy was violated by a federal official, that's a crime. She wrote in her original letter to her congresswoman in California that was passed on to her Senator Feinstein, she did not want her name in the public arena. The letter was leaked. We don't know who leaked it, but there's only 2 or 3 people who could have. That's where the FBI gets in. You, under the Constitution, have a right to privacy. If your privacy is violated by a federal official, that can be a crime. It is enough to have a federal agency like the FBI go in. There's probable cause. We know the letter was leaked. We know it most likely came from federally elected people, either a congresswoman or a senator. Their offices. They can't say, oh, I didn't personally. If your office did it, you're responsible. And the Senate Ethics Committee should be looking into why Dianne Feinstein held the Kavanaugh letter back for 6 weeks. If they don't do that, I'm done with the Senate. Because that was horrible. It was horrible to Kavanaugh, it was horrible to Ford, it's horrible to everybody. Yet 6 weeks, the FBI could have looked at these things and prevented the mass hysteria that happened in the last few days. That can't stand. You've got to, Charles Grassley, I'm talking to you, find out why Dianne Feinstein held that letter back.